Kabbalah. Have you ever wondered how ancient scholars attempted to map the architecture of reality itself? Today, we are examining a complex centuries-old framework of knowledge known as Kabbalah. The word Kabbalah translates from Hebrew to mean that which is received, or tradition. It is a vast body of ancient literature and philosophical study that originated as a method to analyze classical texts, looking for hidden layers of information beneath the literal words. This is not about modern mysticism, but rather an ancient, highly structured system of logic, cosmology, and textual analysis. It was developed by scholars who viewed the universe as a complex code waiting to be deciphered. To understand this system, we have to look at its core manuals. The foundational knowledge of Kabbalah is documented in several key historical texts. The earliest is the Sefer Yetzirah, or the Book of Formation, which historians believe was compiled between the 3rd and 6th centuries. It proposes that reality is constructed through fundamental building blocks, numbers, and letters. The most expansive and famous text, however, is the Zohar, or the Book of Splendor. Emerging in 13th century Spain through the writings of Moses de Leon, the Zohar is a massive commentary on ancient scriptures. It introduced a radical way of reading, treating every word, letter, and even the spaces between letters in ancient scripts as vital data points containing historical and cosmological information. The philosophical foundation of this ancient knowledge starts with a concept called Ein Sof, which translates to the infinite or the endless. In this scholarly framework, Ein Sof represents the ultimate, unknowable source of all reality before time or space existed. It has no boundaries, no shape, and cannot be described by human language. The scholars proposed a logical problem. How does a finite, physical universe emerge from an infinite, boundless void? To explain this, the texts describe a process of contraction. The infinite withdrew into itself to create a conceptual empty space, a framework where a finite universe could be constructed. The most recognizable symbol of this ancient knowledge is the Tree of Life. This is an organizational chart of reality. According to the texts, reality flows from the infinite into the physical world through 10 distinct channels or attributes, known as the Sefirot. These 10 spheres are not physical objects, but structural concepts. They include Keter, crown, the initial spark of will or intention; Chochma, wisdom, the raw, unformed data or pure intellect; Bina, understanding, the processing system that gives shape to wisdom; Chesed, kindness, expansive, giving energy; Gevurah, severity, restricting, structural discipline; Tiferet, beauty, the balancing point between expansion and restriction; Netzach, eternity; and Hod, splendor, the tactical application of energy; Yesod, foundation, the mechanism that gathers all previous data; Malkut, kingdom, the final manifestation into the physical, observable world. Scholars use this 10-point map as a matrix to analyze everything from human psychology to the laws of physics. What makes this tradition uniquely information-based is its approach to language. The scholars of this tradition did not just read texts, they decoded them using advanced linguistic analytics. The most prominent method is Gematria. In ancient Hebrew, there are no separate numbers. Each letter of the alphabet also functions as a numerical value. Therefore, every word has a mathematical sum. Scholars use Gematria to find connections between different words that shared the same numerical value, treating the ancient scripts like a massive, interconnected database. It was a rigorous intellectual exercise, operating on the belief that the architecture of reality was fundamentally linguistic and mathematical. Kabbalah remains one of history's most intricate philosophical systems. By examining the Zohar, the concept of Ein Sof, the map of the Sefirot, and the mathematics of ancient language. We gain insight into how early thinkers organized complex information. It stands as a testament to humanity's enduring drive to map the unknown, offering an ancient, structured lens through which to view the mechanics of existence.